Hi, I'm Jameis. I'm working on my 2004 Aero vt750c. The C designates that it's a shaft drive and that it only has a single carb. I took the carb off to clean it, and when I get back on, I'm going to need to adjust my idle air mixture screw right there. So to do that, there's a couple ways of doing that. You can do it with this Motion Pro D style bit right here. I'll include a link to that. And Glenn over at Glens VTX Garage makes this really cool tool. There's the same thing in the end there. And you can turn it. So I'm going to show this to you for comparison. So here's a carburetor adjustment tool. This is just a generic brand, whatever. And this here's Glenn's tool. So when this carburetor's installed, see if I can't give you a good view. So this carburetor's installed, it's installed like this. Now, the part we need to adjust is on the back, we can't really get to it. With a tool like this, you kind of have to reach around and try and get it in and then turn it at a hard angle. Let me slide that in there. Turn it at a hard angle and do this with it. That's really difficult to do. You don't have much room. I tried for several minutes. I actually could not get the bit to sit down on there. With this tool, you can just slip it right in like this, and it slides up right where it needs to be, and it's good to go. I bought this from his website. I'll link it down below. You got it to me in like a week, something like that. Pretty decent time. I was happy with the price. It's a pretty cool tool. The only thing I could say is, it looks like it's got a plastic shaft down on there. And so if your pilot screw is really tight, if it's really crowded, this might not be able to break it loose. Once you get it broken loose, it'll work fine. So what I wound up doing is I bought Glenn's tool, and I bought Motion Pro bit, and I took the carb out, put the bit in just a regular screwdriver, and took that out, and I'm getting ready to put it back on and use his tool, and it looks like it'll work well. It seemed to work well sitting here just on the table working on it. All right, cool. Hope that's helpful. Thanks.